Hey, what's up guys? John here, and in today's lesson, I'm gonna teach you how to play Message in a Bottle by The Police. I'm gonna break this song down for you note for note. I'm gonna cover the whole song. I'm gonna show you the main riff, the pre-chorus, and the chorus progression. All the strumming and picking that you need to know is gonna be in this video. Before we get into the lesson, make sure to hit the thumbs up button, and any comment or any engagement below really helps out the channel for the YouTube algorithm. So thank you so much for your support. All right, let's get into the lesson. The first part we're gonna learn is that main riff that sounds like this. We're gonna use 4 chords here, and we're using a classic sort of Andy Summers add 9 chord sound. So let me break this down for you. Start off with your first finger on the 4th fret of the A string. Then you're gonna put your 3rd finger on the 6th fret of the D string. And the last finger is the pinky. We're gonna play on the 8th fret of the G string. So we have 4, 6, 8. Now you don't have to hold all these down. I know this is a bit of a stretch. So you can play them individually like that, or as you get better, you can kind of make it more legato and roll them into each other smoother. But that's basically a C-sharp power chord here with the 9th added to it. So we're gonna use this shape on all the chords for the riff. So we're gonna go 4, 6, 8, and then we're gonna move to the 5th fret on the E string. And then we'll play 7 on the A string and then 9 on the D string. So each note is going to a different string. So I've got 4, 6, 8 to 5, 7, 9. Then we move this same shape up 2 frets to 7, 9, 11, and then 2, 4, 6. And on the last one, we're gonna play that 6, and we're gonna slide up to 7. It's a really cool little move there. And then that puts us into position to start again here on the 4th fret. Now the rhythm is a little bit anticipated. We're gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1. So the first chord is on the beat, 1 and 2, but all the rest of the chords come on the upbeats. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and start again. As far as the picking goes, I would recommend playing all down strokes with your picking hand. So gives a real direct rock sound. So that's your main riff. It's gonna go 8 times for the verse. Just a castaway. After the 8th time, we're gonna go. So there's our 8th time. Now we're gonna go play some power chords. It's gonna sound like this. So this is using 3 power chords, an A, a D, and an E. This is our next section here. We're gonna play the 5th fret of the E string, the 7th fret of the A string. We're just gonna go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and do palm muting, where we rest our palm here, and we're gonna play 8th notes, again, downstrokes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we'll move this chord down 1 string to 5, 7, 5 on the A string, 7 on the D string, and we'll go 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and that's gonna be a D5 to an E5. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then if you want, you could throw this little blues kind of shuffle thing in there. So that would be holding the 7, 9, and then reaching up with your pinky and grabbing 11 there. So and 4 and so 1 and 2 and 3 then start again. Then we're going to take this power chord and we're going to move it up 2 frets to 9 and 11. This is the I hope that someone gets mine. I hope that someone gets mine. 3 times. I hope that someone gets mine. So what that is 9 and 11, power chord, just one measure of eighth notes. 1 and 2 and 3 and 4 and then we go to D, 5, 7, 1, 2 and 3 and 4 and just do a measure of each chord 3 times. So someone gets mine. Second time. Third time. Now we're gonna go to a bar chord. We're gonna play C sharp minor. And this is gonna be from the A string down, 4, 6, 6, 5, 4. And then this is the message in a bottle. That's what the melody is doing. Message in a bottle. We're gonna have one measure each. C sharp minor, 3, 4, to A, add 9. The way you can play this is, it looks like an E minor chord. It's just down one string. It's an A with the open B string. Really cool Andy Summers sound. Again, that sort of sus2 or add 9. You could also play it here, you know, which is another Andy Summers way, but I think the easiest way for most people is going to be this. So we're going to go message in a bottle. I use one finger. 2, 3, 4. Then a message 3 times. After this, we go to F sharp minor. That's a bar chord starting on the 6th string, 2nd fret, 2, 4, 4, 2, 2, 2. We hold that. It's basically a whole note tied to a whole note. So we're gonna go 1, 2, 3, 4, 1, 2, 3, 4. Then back to the riff. So those are all the sections of the tune. Let's try playing the riff 8 times into that pre-chorus, into the chorus. We'll end on the F sharp minor chord. Here we go. 1, 2, 3, 4. Second time. Third time. 4. 5. 6. 7. Last time, 8. Power chords. I send an SOS, F sharp minor to D. Okay, 9th fret, 5th fret. One more time. And we'll do whole notes. C sharp minor and A sus2. Message in a bottle, F sharp minor. Alrighty, you guys, well, I really hope this lesson helps you out. Thanks so much for watching. Make sure you hit the thumbs up button, and any comment below is greatly appreciated. If you have any requests or future songs you want to see in lessons, leave them below. Also, if you'd like to get a free PDF all about soloing, you can click the link below and get over 100 pages of licks and exercises. It's a book I wrote called Melodic Expressions. Check that out in the link below. Make sure you subscribe. Thanks again for watching. We'll see you in the next one.